Integrations allow your bot to connect with external tools and systems so that your bot or AI agent can fetch information or send information. There are multiple ways to integrate external applications with your bot. Let's look at each option one by one. First, we have native integrations. These are built-in integrations that can be set up quickly without any coding. You can easily connect popular tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Google Sheets and start exchanging data in just a few steps. Next is Zapier. Zapier allows you to connect your bot with thousands of apps. Go to Zapier to create your automation workflow, connect WotNot as a trigger app, choose Zapier block activated as an event, and connect it with this API token provided and follow the steps. Lastly, the third option is API integration. APIs give you complete control by allowing you to connect to any software or system out there. You can perform a GET, POST, or PUT request in real time using webhooks and HTTP requests. This approach is best suited for advanced use cases. Choose the integration method that best fits your technical requirements and business needs, and start connecting your bot with the tools you already use.